So yeah man, I think Anik got the stadium the right to set to my right, cause I come on Anik, I come watch match around us enough time. You see me? Yeah. Yeah man, enough time I come take in the junglist, them and kick it, you know? Yeah, cause big side that. Big side, you see me?
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? Yes, truly 876 by Bergs, you know, from hear my voice and you see the video, you know what time it is. You understand? Yeah, we're currently there downtown Kingston, you know, people. You see me, I make a way. We actually go over Portmore, you see me? Yeah. I take it Mandela Highway. We're not take it on the toll. I go Mandela Highway, see? Yeah. And right now we're close to Euro Circle, and from them open back, we never drive past there, too tough. I think at one time I must have did those flash pass, but you know, today I go drive past and see what go on. Now I'm telling them like people. Munchie was my person where I buy soup from. Big woman thing. Now I go lie to you now. Munchie me buy soup from. You see me? But see there ain't nothing, not even two go on. Munchie out there. But nothing now go on out there. Look there. Empty people. Empty. Your circle empty people. Nothing now go on. Little crab a sell and you know? Yeah. Jaja know. Nothing now go on people. Can you believe it? Not a thing a go on. Not one thing, people. Not one striking thing. I go on there. The place. Why? Water down. Yes, water right down, people. See me? Another little popular spot up on my left too. Darrington Bridge. Yeah, little grab spot that there so too. Yeah, sights. Yeah. Right about now we want to catch on Spanish Town Road, so I go drive through round us, so jungle them place there, see me? Yeah. I go drive through, you see it? We are catch Spanish Town Road and go 3 mile and go up, you see me? Yeah. Know them place here. It's supposed to be Slipe Road. So now within our vicinity are jungling of people, you see me? Yeah man. Them place over there, close to Crossroad, you understand, yeah. I think right just supposed to be Studio 1 Boulevard. Man, so I drive around at them places, you know? Yeah. This supposed to go drop you back out from Waltham, I think. You see me? Yeah. No, sorry, not Waltham. Well, I guess you probably can't even go across Waltham, maybe even Maxfield too. It all depends. It all depends, my people. I can see. I know my grung, them grung, you know, people. Not my grung, them grung, you know. But we are chat through. Yeah. My boss. LiQWYD them, you know? Yeah, them say thanks. Yeah, man. If you look out for the kids, them, you know? Future, you know? Yeah. Alright, so this look like I could probably come out from Cali Smith Drive. Yeah, cause them place here, this look like a Trenchtown, Rima side, yeah. Yeah man, as me say, a jungle with us still in the people, you see me? So yeah. Hey, sit over this side, sit more to over this side, yeah. Yeah people, have a little ride along with me, you know? Yeah. So yeah man, I think Anik got the stadiums the right to to my ride, cause come on Anik, come watch match around us enough time. You see me? Yeah. Yeah man, enough time I come take in the junglist, them and kick it, you know? Yeah, cause big side that. Big side, you see me? Yeah. Harbour view on my side still the stars at the east, but can't deny it. See on it. And Waterhouse side, them side big side man. Mostly the junglists them though. Can't tame. I tell you no people, them can't tame, you see me? One taxi man. Yeah, man, this is supposed to be Cali Smith Drive, people. Alright, so we're about to go up on Spanish Town Road there now, you see me? Yeah. Most dangerous road this, you know, people. See there? See a man I make him own a lane and come down. Taxi man. Dangerous road this, people. I tell you now. It's serious. After that, this video, every video. You see me? Man, him not, nobody don't obey no rule, no regulation on the road. Them ever they drive it on this road, huh? Dangerous, I tell you. And as you know, up on the left, I saw Horizon. Yeah, man. Big prison, people. Big prison. Yeah. Their body, no people. are bad people. When I saw that take you a Waltham to my right. Beginning of Waltham Park Road, that people. Okay, go all the way up. Take you go up our Mullines Road. Yeah. Alright people, so as you know, up at 3 mile you have the overpass and have the underneath the bridge part where you know you have to go through the stoplight and thing, but why? Me I take the overpass people. Can't deal with underneath the bridge right you know. Traffic and all that right now. I don't know really much traffic still to tell you the truth, you know? The taxi man is Billy Mona lane and one trucker come. He not bad ability. Change his mind. Change your mind. Them people, man. I think me have go underneath the bridge, man. I take there. Yeah, man, I take the overpass and go up, my people. Honestly. Quicker, easier, everything. I have a whole heap of videos with underneath this how it look. You go check them out. That truck here, straight out of the biscuit factory and ride the median here so and a turn. Lawlessness people. When him for actually and there's somebody directing the traffic and stop traffic, him ride the median. Him for actually come out and come up here so and make the U-turn. That's what him for actually do. You see me? Hello? Yeah, my fireman. Yeah, cool. See view gardens to my left over there, so people. people, as you can see them road and a white line in the road, you know. Them road and a white line, them bumpy, them pitchy, patchy. Yo. Spanish Town Road, these people. Like worse road. Not Jamaica. So currently on Mandela Highway now, people. See? Yeah, Mandela Highway. And people, I apologize if the glare from the sun affect the quality of the video. See, just bear with it for a little bit. Yeah. Bushing work a go on, people. Christmas time now, you know them things never go on in Jamaica when it's Christmas. Bushing. Yeah. Everywhere you drive, that day I got a country. I see it. Everywhere I get bush. All the roads. Them people out there have East Indian mango for sale, people. At Christmas time. I don't know where them get them from. One time I have a bridge and the man say, yo, can you know what a flat bridge them ever have them out there? Claim say one day I ask the people them how come them have mango right throughout the year. So the people them say them pick off some of the blossom them and wrap them up and put them for ripe. Boy, there's a liar, you know. So the people them tell it that. So that's why they have mango right throughout the year. But they wrap up a blossom them in a newspaper for ripe. You see me? I say, yo, that boy a liar, wicked, you know, man. But yeah, man, you have some mango tree beer right throughout the year, people. As it done, it start blossom again, you see it? And beer again. Yeah. Now currently on Municipal Boulevard. Well, you've been on Municipal Boulevard from a turn off a Mandela Highway still, so yeah. I'm also call this I-95. See me? Yeah. See it I get people some more bushing and go on. Man them a chop and woman them rake up, you know? Yeah. A whole heap of bushing. People, you know, say, I need the buckler oil. Yeah, I need a buckler oil engine oil, so I'm going to get it over the gas station. Yeah. Get it over the gas station, my people. You don't see me while ago, you know. She said sorry. She don't see me. When she reach out, she see me. Yeah, people, may I get the aisle? So far with the people. Alright people, I'm back. So I got the oil. Gonna just wait till me reach home, show it in, you know? Yeah. Alright. So what I gotta do, I continue from Municipal Boulevard and go around here. You see me? Yeah, easier commute that for me. Look at this dumb now, coming beside me to block me. Alright, so I'm just buckle up. Roll on back the window. Yeah. People, house a bit over yourself on the right side, you know. Yeah, it's supposed to be a gated community. Whole heap of house a bit over yourself, people. Whole heap of thing a go on. Portmore is booming, you know, people. I'm not gonna tell you no lie, you see? Yeah. People, what you going on now? The video basically come to an end right to saying the people, yeah. So big up on yourself and as usual, we give thanks for you know, for chat along with me on the journey, you see me? Yeah man. Bless up on yourself my people, you see it? Don't know, 876 by birth, you know. Do remember for continue to like the video them, share the video them for me the people. Share the video them people. Umbrella hustling thing, you know? Fruits, grape and apple myself. Yeah, American apple. Yeah. So yeah, people do remember, continue to like the video them, share the video them, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed, you see me? Yeah man. God, them people are horribly, man. That's like change him and make nice. Yo. And they're not really going away, you know, I tell you, you know. I'm good all like a price smart. But anyways, my people. Bless up on yourself, you know. You don't know the thing going on. You see what I say? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. Enough love goes out as always. You see me? Yeah, man. And please, people, remember to like the video, then remember to share the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, man. You watch so long and you don't click like. You come to the end of the video, you don't click like. You come to the end of the video, you don't subscribe to the channel. Doesn't make any sense. Click subscribe button, man. Please and thanks. And share the video. Post the link somewhere. For even for your WhatsApp status. Somewhere over Facebook. Somewhere, alright? Bless up on yourself. 876 by Bergs, my people. LiQWYD. Yeah.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere.